everybody, welcome back to Enchanted Life. My name is Cassandra, and if you're new here, welcome. We get to do a lot of fun things on this channel, so I hope you will make sure to subscribe to this video and like this video, and also share this video with all your friends. And I hope everyone is doing great out there. Today I wanted to talk about some cool Valentine's products that I found around that I thought would be kind of a fun thing for the holiday. And first I have my little ears, and I'm so sorry you can't see them. Oh. So I found a whole bunch of cool Valentine's products that I thought that I would share with you guys, and maybe it's something that you want to buy for a friend, or maybe it's just something you want to buy for yourself and give yourself a little treat for Valentine's Day. But I think you're going to like the little spread that I got here. Some are cheap, but you know, most of them, I think the most expensive thing here is like $25. For Valentine's Day, it's definitely worth the splurge. So let me go ahead and show you. This one I think is really cool. And my mom actually got this for me for just because, but it's really a Valentine's thing. And she found this at Marshall's. And excuse my nails, I haven't, they're kind of a mess. I was working on some stuff with the kids, but this, if you can see this, is actually a very big heart, and it is just a plastic case, but it's full of a lot of makeup sponges. And although I love Beauty Blender and love using my Beauty Blender sponge, I also just like a lot of regular sponges too, and I go through a lot of like makeup sponges. It is so hard for me to open this though, because I think it's so adorable and so cute, and so I'm completely obsessed with this. She spent, let's see, it says $9.99 on it, and you can pick these up at Marshall's. So 14 pieces full face blender set, 8 full sizes and 6 minis. So that would be something completely cool that you could splurge on for yourself for Valentine's Day, or a great gift for a friend or a daughter, anyone like that. So that one I love. And then I wanted to find some like little cheap products that we could get like from the dollar store. And actually these ones I got from Dollar Tree. Now if you want to get these, you're going to need to hurry, because I already noticed that in my dollar store, Dollar Tree, they were actually selling out really fast. So let me show you. The first one is, well, I guess it's going to be a lot of makeup sponges too, some in this video. But look at this one. This is so cute. And they had them in black and they had them in red. I think they might have even had them in pink. It just says love on there, and it's a cute little box with a little hanger, and it does have a little makeup sponge in there. So I don't know, I just love the little packaging on this. I thought this would be just kind of a great little fun item. The next thing that I found at Dollar Tree, I don't know what my deal, like I said, is with sponges, but here's another one, are these little makeup sponges, and you can see. Now, I do have to say that I bought these makeup sponges, and if you look right here on the bottom, it says 4 makeup sponges, right? Okay, and I haven't opened them yet, but just, I bought them and I thought they were all hearts, and it says that there's only 4 sponges in here. But we're gonna open them, because looking through the package, it looks like they break apart. So yeah, can you see that? I mean, I guess they're hearts, and technically you'd say they're 1 sponge, but I was kind of hoping that they'd be like sealed hearts. But I mean, I guess they're cute. They're not broken hearts. You know, I thought they were going to be like the regular little sponges where they're just barely hanging on to one another. But yeah, so these are kind of cute. You get 4 little hearts. I got a pink one, 2 little red hearts, 1 little white heart. So I thought those were adorable. I love collecting, I guess you could say, the beauty blenders and just different kinds of makeup sponges. I love how cute they make all of them. I really love these hearts. So I'm glad to see that they're not like the other like beauty wedges that are just barely connected. These ones are actually connected pretty good. So completely adorable. And next thing I got, and we haven't opened it yet, I figured we would try out this LA Color Chunky Lip Pencil. And it is in the color Daring Red. So, you know, it's Dollar Tree makeup. Is it going to be great makeup? Probably not. Although, believe it or not, there's a lot of e.l.f. makeup that you can find at Dollar Trees. You know, and the e.l.f. makeup's always good stuff. You can find e.l.f. brushes at the Dollar Tree. So if you haven't hit up the Dollar Tree for like e.l.f. brushes, now you're not going to have big, huge foundation brushes, but you can get a lot of your eye brushes there. Where if you go to Morphe and you're looking at buying a brush, you're looking at like $8 or something. You can get a really good quality e.l.f. brush. And I'm not saying it's as high quality as the Morphe one, but it's still good quality and it still works. You can get them for $1 at the Dollar Tree. You don't have to go to like the drugstore and buy the e.l.f. brushes for like $5 a piece. Okay, so let's test out this red. Now, I'm not really into wearing a lot of red lipstick. It's a little bright for me, so we're just gonna like swatch it on my hand. But you can see it right there. See, it's a nice shade of red. And we'll go ahead and, okay, it's kind of like a pinkish red. Can you guys see that right there? See, it's kind of like a pinkish red. And let's see, I'm curious. I know no one swatches like that where they smear it, but I want to know, is my lipstick, especially Valentine's lipstick, is it going to smear? Now, I want something that when it goes on, even after, just after a couple seconds even, it sets up and locks in place. So we'll just like let this sit here and see if it's going to lock in place. Now we're gonna go from like cheap end to high end, and then we'll go back to medium. This actually is, I got it in one of those like Sephora boxes where you can try a whole bunch of different products, see what you like. This I kind of made fun of when I got it. It's super cute, but I didn't think that it was going to, like be really good blush or perform real. I thought it was more just, oh, look how cute it is. But this is Blush by Kaja, and it's got a little heart on the top, and this is in the color 04 Feisty. And the cool thing about this, okay, again, I thought this was just for the like look of it. I can't think of, what is that called? What is it called when you just make something and it's to show how cute it is, or that, oh look, you can make something cute. I didn't think it would be a great quality formula. Now, I know if you buy this online, I looked up at Sephora, it's like $24 for each one of these. So you would think it has good products, and let me tell you, I have used this like crazy. It comes at the top with a stamper, okay? And I've never, ever, ever been into cream brushes or cream blushes before. But this thing is amazing. So you get this heart stamper, okay? And it's kind of fun to play with. And then you take it out of the top here, and then you pop the lid open. And in here you have like a little stamp pad. And what I do, which is really amazing, but I push it into the little stamp pad, and then I just do like 1, 2, 1, 2, and then I take my beauty blender in and smudge it into my cheeks, and this stuff looks so beautiful. I know everyone is into the NARS Orgasm Blush, and that's everyone's favorite, but I'll tell you, and it used to be my favorite too until I found this, and I am obsessed with this. So as soon as this runs out, I'm going to have to get another one, because I've never been into cream, like I said, blushes before. I don't know, it's just applying them, and then you have kind of like the lines, and it you know, you had to kind of buff it out, and it never worked well for me. I've always used powder blushes. This formula is fantastic. It blends out perfect, gives you just a little bit of like rosy in your cheeks. You can see I'm wearing this. I'm wearing this most of the time, actually. I love this, and it's so much fun to, you know, put a little like heart stamp on your face. I don't know, I just kind of think it's cute. And then you can take one of your little heart and blend it out. And I know like right here it looks kind of like the lines are there, but it's very, very, very blendable. I am so in love with this blush. This is one of my holy grails now. Love this stuff. Okay, so now that we've done the low end and we've done the high end, I have two of the cutest products that I have to show you, and they're from Ulta. Now, I haven't seen these in the Ulta stores, and I'm not quite sure even how I found them, which is kind of crazy. but they are for sale online at Ulta, and they are so adorable. So I actually have two to show you. But before I do that, look at this. I think it goes without saying, don't buy lipstick from the Dollar Tree. You know, unless you like the smeared look, then go for it. That's up to you. Not impressed. And look at my hands. Like, it's like everywhere now. So this is going to be perfect. I'll like let my daughter play with this, because you put it on and like 10 seconds later, it'll be right off, which is great. She'll get to think that she's playing with real makeup and having a great time, and it'll disappear within a couple of seconds. So that's my kind of makeup for kids. Okay, back to my amazing finds at Ulta. Now, these are so adorable. I'm going to show them to you. I only have 2 of them. I didn't get all 3. But look, they're little teddy bears. Can you see how adorable these little teddy bears are? Look at that. This black one here, his name is Jet, and I just adore him. And then you have a rose gold one here, and her name is Rosie, and this is by I Heart Revolution. And there is a gold one. I don't know the gold one's name. Darn it. But if you look on the side, it's really cute. You can see it has little facts, like it says their name, and it says star sign and personality and likes. And Jet's name, well, is Jet, and his star sign is Taurus. And his personality is cool and chilled. And he likes hanging with friends. So cute. And then Rosie, let me tell you about Rosie. She's Pisces. She's extra and creative. And she likes going out. That in double negative, likes going out. I don't know, but anyway, that's what Rosie likes to do. Now, they are super cute in the box, but you know we've got to take them out because they are actually eyeshadow palettes from I Love Revolution. Look at this. Isn't that little bear adorable? I love this little bear. And on the bottom, it's got a little clip here, and you open it up. Open up. Ah, okay. And the little piece flies out, and then you get a mirror, and you get, it says 19 shades of intense pressed pigment. But these are all the little shades on Rosie. Isn't it adorable? Like, I don't even want to use it. It's so cute. These are, I love these because it's really like a collector's item. It's not something I'd use as much. So, oh, nostalgia. That's what it is. It's just kind of a little nostalgia product. Okay. Now we're going to open Jet. And got Jet out of the box. Oh, and Jet is matte. Look, isn't he adorable? And he also has 19 shades. And he opens the same way. Throw away this little piece of paper. And now, look at those colors. Isn't he cute? I love how they even took the time to like make it into a little teddy bear inside. I just love the little design on that. And then they're all different colors. I'm really shocked about this. So we're not going to swatch all of them. I will use the little Jet one. And should we swatch his nose? I kind of feel like petting his nose. Does that sound really kind of weird? But it's kind of like you get to pet his nose. So we're going to pet little Jet's nose. Ooh, we're going to pet Jet's nose some more. We might actually use Jet. I might have to buy a second Jet. Look how pretty that is. That silver is amazing. That is like, wow. So go ahead. Look at that. It's pretty dang amazing. Can you see that shine there? Look at that. That is beautiful. That is so beautiful, and I love that shade. I actually wear that a lot. I am so impressed. So these are so adorable. And you can pick these up at Ulta.com for like $15. And none of this in here is sponsored or anything. I just want to show you some of my favorite little things that I found for Valentine's Day that I thought were just super adorable. I think they're so cute. And I love all these little sponges. So if you want to just, you know, find something special for your friends, you're looking at, you know, a pack of little heart sponges and a little rosy, and you're looking at like $16 or so roughly, you know. Perfect little Valentine's Day present. Hope you guys had a great time. Hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. And don't forget to subscribe to this video and like. Make sure you share it with a friend. I hope y'all are doing good, and take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye.